those people who hate my guts, but is sitting in a quiet place listening to my show.
I'm not gay no more. I am delivered. I don't like men no more. I said I like women.
He said you're in a shelter. No kids. What the fuck you?
That you could do so.
So, bro, how can you be in a shelter, bro? That's not a shelter, bro. Bro, are you okay? Yo, are you okay? Huh? Are you okay, man? I'm not 27. I'm 29. What did you talk? You see, you got the wrong. Yo, bro, you all right? Yo, Sam, let me speak to you. Come up, hit that link. Hit this link right here. Let me speak to you, man. Nigga, win. Let's have a conversation, man. Come here. Let me holler at you, bro. You got the wrong information, man.
Let your mother read the note.
Hit this link right here.
Gotta say no homo, or else you the homo.
Hit that link in the chat, man. I'm not 27, boy. Everybody know I'm 29 years old, boy. Everybody know I'm 29. You the only nigga that's saying I'm 27. Now, don't you know? I'm gonna say this. You know you can't pay rent in a shelter, right? Don't you know that? Don't you know that 7420? You know you can't pay rent in the shelter, right?
I said, yes, I did.
You know that, right? You know you can't have visitors in a shelter, right?
With a name named Mike the Trans Sam.
Between TV, thank y'all for watching.
Man, listen, I really appreciate y'all, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell a friend. Get your boy to 10K. Lives coming soon, 2023. Let's go.